Hello everybody, and welcome to Caribou Contest Unsolved. For those of you who don't know, after every Caribou Contest, I will pick a question that stumped me, as well as many of you, and make a step-by-step explanatory video like this one. The videos I upload will help clear up some confusion around a question, so you'll do even better next time. But it can also help you engage in a new branch of math, ace a test, or do well in math competitions. So don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to this channel, and turn on the notifications bell. Now, let's get started. This week, we will be focusing on a particular question from the May 5th, 2021 contest in the grades 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and 11, 12 sections. It read, when multiplying out 2 to the 29th power, one gets a number with 9 distinct digits. Which digit is not in this number? Hint 1. When dividing a number by 9, the remainder is the same as the remainder when the sum of the number's digits is divided by 9. Hint 2. How could one find the missing digit if the remainder by division through 9 would be known? Your choices were A, 1, B, 2, C, 3, D, 4, E, 5, F, 6, and G, 7. Now, although your first instinct may be to do it manually, this will take a long time. You only have 50 minutes to take the contest, and it comes with a high risk of miscalculation. What the Caribou contests are trying to get at here is either a strong sense of patterns or a strong sense of modular arithmetic. If you have no idea what that is, I'll link a great introductory video in the subscription below. Other than doing it manually, there are two other more efficient ways that I shall explain now. So, option 1, the pattern finding method, as I like to call it. The clues tell us that any number's remainder after being divided by 9 is the same as the sum of their digits being divided by 9. For example, 126 divided by 9 has a remainder of 0, and 1 plus 2 plus 6 equals 9, which, when divided by 9, also has a remainder of 0. Since we know all 10 digits in the base 10 number system, except for any fellow kindergarteners watching this video, we can use that to find the missing digits. 0 plus 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 plus 5 plus 6 plus 7 plus 8 plus 9 equals 45, which when divided by 9 has a remainder of 0. So, if 2 to the 29th power contained all 10 digits, it too would have a remainder of 0 when divided by 9. But since it only has 9 of the 10 given digits, we can use the remainder to find which one is missing. But here's the thing. You don't have to calculate every single power of 2 because there is a pattern in the remainders. This way, you can know the remainder of 2 to the 29th power without knowing the number itself. So, I've looked at this pattern beforehand, and now would be a great time to pause the video and see for yourself before I explain the solution. Okay, now I'm going to assume that everyone who would like to pause the video has already done so I'm going to go ahead and explain the results. Now, 2 to the power of 0 is really just 0, and it's not big enough to fit into 9 even once, so we'll skip that one. The same can be said for the next few exponents down the list, so we'll skip ahead to 2 to the power of 4, which equals 16. The closest multiple of 9 that can fit in 16 is 9 itself, and 16 take away 9 equals 7. So there we go, our first remainder is 7. Now, 2 to the power of 5 equals 32, and the closest multiple of 9 would be 27, and when you take that away, it equals 5. Now, on and on down the list we go. 2 to the power of 6 equals 64, which is closest to 63, which is a remainder of 1. So what you see is a complicated list of numbers that at first seem like they don't have any pattern. But if you keep on going, you'll see that it will. 2 to the 7th power has a remainder of 2. 2 to the 8th power has a remainder of 4. And 2 to the 9th power has a remainder of 8. Now 2 to the 10th power, this is when the pattern starts to repeat. 1024 has a remainder of 7 to the closest multiple of 9. 2 to the 11th power has the remainder of 5. 2 to the 12th power has a remainder of 1. And on this pattern goes. So now that we've found the core of the pattern, which is 7, 5, 1, 2, 4, 8, we can let it repeat and repeat so that we will know what 2 to the 29th power is. And if you let it repeat, and if you keep on going, keep on trying to figure it out, you will find that 2 to the 29th power will have a remainder of 4. Well, you might ask, now that we know what the remainder is, how do we find the real number? Well, it's actually simpler than you might think. Since we know that 45 and the sum of the digits in 2 to the 29th power have a difference of 4, this makes it the missing number, because the only difference between 45 and the digits in 2 to the 29th power is one number, and that number is 4. So the correct choice for this question would have been choice D, or the number 4. But remember, every mistake is just another opportunity for learning. I hope you enjoyed today's video, and I sure hope it was helpful. If so, make sure to give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and turn on the notifications bell. And if you have any questions or any comments, be sure to type them out in the comment section below. Now that you've finished watching this great video, why don't you check out another one? Like, how about these other videos from the May 2021 Caribou Contest? Bye for now.